There are few better ways to get in shape or maintain your fitness than by riding a bicycle. But you don't need a high-end road racing model to do it. Hybrid bikes, also known as fitness bikes, offer a balance of lightweight speed and a confidence-inspiring upright position that can make cycling more comfortable and fun. So, in today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 7 best hybrid bikes. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 7 in my list is Sixthreezero Hybrid-Bicycles. Depending on where and how you ride, you'll find the Sixthreezero EVR Journey in 3, 7, and 21 speed variations. There's also a single-speed cruiser for rides around town. The model with the most gears is ideal for varied terrain, while the 7-speed bike is useful for city rides and back roads. If you're planning on using the bike more for commuting or urban riding, consider the 3-speed or single-speed models. The EVR Journey has a versatile step-through frame that makes it easier to get on and off the bike. Standard-size 26-inch tires are built for varied terrain. A dual-spring saddle keeps you comfortable on rides, while front and rear brakes provide dependable stopping power. While these accessories aren't included, you can add bike baskets, panniers, and fenders if you'd like. This hybrid bike fits most riders from 5 feet to 6 feet 4 inches. Number 6 in my list is Hiland Road Hybrid Bike. If you need a commuting bike, this capable ride could be for you. It's decked out with all the accessories you need to get to and from work, such as racks, fenders, lights, a kickstand, and other accessories. A 24-speed Shimano drivetrain provides a more confident riding experience, while Kenda 700C wheels get you from your home to the office or anywhere else you need to go, even in inclement weather. Aluminum rims deliver a more stable ride, while mechanical disc brakes provide dependable stopping power when you need it. This bike comes in sizes ranging from small to large and fits most riders from 5 feet 5 inches to 6 feet 5 inches. It weighs 28 pounds and is covered by a 5-year frame warranty. Number 5 in my list is Schwinn Discover Hybrid Bike. The Schwinn Discover is a comfort-oriented hybrid bike for female riders. Features such as an aluminum city frame, upright handlebars, and a padded saddle with suspension make the bike a practical choice for urban riding and commuters. However, it also has 21-speed SRAM shifters and a Shimano rear derailleur to conquer varied terrain. A rear gear carrier provides extra storage space for weekend outings or a day at work. Alloyed linear pull brakes provide precise stopping power when necessary. Number 4 in my list is Mongoose Men's Elroy Hybrid Bike. Are you looking for a bike that's better suited for off-road adventures than your average hybrid? If so, consider the Mongoose Elroy. It's an adventure bike with versatile tires and an integrated frame bag to store essentials for longer trips. The Elroy is equipped with 2x7 drivetrain Shimano derailleurs, giving you a choice between 14 speeds, along with large 40C tires. Mechanical disc brakes provide full stopping power when needed. The large front rack has plenty of space for your bike panniers and even has a built-in bottle opener. If you anticipate needing even more space, the rear rack mount is always an option. Internal cable routing not only makes maintenance less of a hassle, it also lets you place up to 5 water bottle cage mounts for easy access to your beverages. This bike also comes with fender mounts. Number 3 in my list is Schwinn Volare Men's and Women's Hybrid Bike. A lightweight bike that's especially fun if you enjoy going fast, the Schwinn Volare is a highly versatile choice for men and women. It's built for speed and is more like a road bike than a clunky cruiser. You can easily explore trails and pavement with the standard 28-inch wheels. The fitness-inspired aluminum frame keeps you riding in a comfortable upright position without sacrificing performance. It's also relatively light, with a total weight of just over 35 pounds for a medium frame. The fitness-inspired hybrid comes with a sports saddle with a sturdy alloy seat post to keep you comfortable on longer rides. This bike is adaptable and versatile and works just as well for running errands as it does commuting to work and riding around town. With 21 gears and Shimano EZ Fire shifters under your fingertips, This Schwinn hybrid offers quick and easy gear changes to accommodate hills and flats. Schwinn includes a limited lifetime warranty for peace of mind, as long as you own the bike. Number 2 at my list is Schwinn Network Adult Hybrid Bike. If comfort is a priority, the Schwinn Network 1.5 step-through could be right for you. It's easy to mount and dismount with a low-step frame. To prevent back strain, you'll find swept back handlebars and a high-rise stem. A hybrid spring seat dampens vibrations for a more pleasant ride. With a 21-speed shifter, there are plenty of gears for hills, flat roads, and everything in between. Just twist the shifter up or down to find the right combination of gears. Reliable Shimano shifters help you stay in control the entire time. Schwinn recommends this bike for riders between 5'5" and 5'9". Unfortunately, it only comes in one size. If you don't fall into that limited range, check out the Schwinn Super Sport Hybrid Bike. It comes in 3 sizes to accommodate cyclists from 5 feet 3 inches to 6 feet 1 inches. The 15-inch aluminum comfort frame is designed more for stability than off-road riding. This bike is most at home riding on paved surfaces and light trails. When you need to stop, you can count on the front and rear alloy linear pull brakes to bring the bike to a halt. Number 1 in my list, Vilano Diverse 3.0 Hybrid Road Bike. Check out the Vilano Diverse 3.0 Performance Hybrid. It's versatile and can be easily customized with your favorite parts and accessories. This hybrid is well built and is a great investment for this price range, which is why it's our top choice. The 700CX35 tires provide essential traction on paved surfaces and trails. No matter where you ride, the 6061 aluminum frame keeps you stable. An aluminum fork limits vibrations. If you live in a hilly area, the 42x34x24T crankset offers a wide range of gears to cruise up steep inclines. The chain rings are replaceable to keep your bike in top shape. Integrated shifters provide quick and reliable gear changes as the terrain changes. With 24 available speeds, this performance hybrid is equally fun to ride on flats, hills, and trails. This sporty hybrid features flat handlebars and an upright riding position for maximum control. You can adjust the seat post to ensure a comfortable ride. Its disc brakes help bring the bike to a fast and safe stop, even in inclement weather. Unless you're quite handy around bikes, Vilano recommends bringing it to a qualified mechanic before hopping on for your first ride. This bike ships factory direct and requires some specialized tools for assembly. It weighs 26.5 pounds and can be easily transported using a truck tailgate pad or bike rack. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.